Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing while installing the Ryzen Master utility tool you got an error unable to initialize. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, let's start with the basic troubleshooting steps. Right click on start menu, choose option run. Type here regedit and then hit the enter key. Now in this address bar, you need to paste an address. This address I will share you in the description of this video. Copy it and then delete and paste right over here and then hit the enter key. Now in this services folder, you will find a folder with the name AMD Ryzen Master. So scroll down and find it right over here. Here is AMD Ryzen Master drive. Once you find this folder, right click and choose option delete. Hit the yes button to continue. Once it is deleted, close it. Now restart your PC and try to install it to fix out the issue of unable to initialize. If this failed to work out, in next step, simply head over to your browser and here is the website where you need to download the older version of AMD Ryzen Master, and highly recommend to use the download version 2.13.0.2908. Simply scroll down and click on this mirror to download the Ryzen Master utility tool older version into your PC. Save it into your system and install it, and hopefully this time the Ryzen Master will be able to install without any kind of issue. However, if using this tool also, this older version also, you are still getting the error, let's proceed with the next step. Go ahead, open up your Windows security and then click on the option device security. Click on the option core isolation detail and turn off memory integrity. After doing so, right click on start menu, choose the option run, type here appwiz.cpl and hit the enter key. From here, you need to uninstall two softwares one by one. First one is AMD chipset software. Select it and choose the option uninstall. After uninstalling AMD chipset, you need to uninstall AMD Adderlin Edition software. I have already installed that particular software from my system. Make sure you uninstall AMD chipset software as well as AMD Adderlin Edition. After uninstalling both the softwares, close it. Now go ahead and now you will be able to install Ryzen Master utility tool. No matter if it is the older version or the latest version, you will be able to install and the issue will be completely fixed. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.